Hey, what's up guys, it's Seth. Today I'm going to be doing the spark plugs on my 2006 Nissan Altima. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open the engine bay, pop open the hood, and we'll take our Allen wrench set right here. And we're going to put them we got 4 of these. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back. This is, we got our 10mm socket right here. Go ahead and start unscrewing these packs very carefully. I've got these spark plugs that I got off of Amazon not too long ago. I'll put a link down in the description. These are double platinum. They're already pre-gapped. If you don't, just always make sure you check the gap on these before you put them in, because you don't want to have to overwork yourself and do it twice. So I already went ahead and checked these, so we're going to get these installed. So they should come in little individual boxes in this one big box, so you just do one at a time. It's not too difficult. We've also got a 5/8 drive socket for spark plugs. I got that from Home Depot, along with a 6-inch extension bar, as well as a ratchet wrench. You're also going to need a torque wrench to properly torque them down to spec, because you don't want to over tighten them and make the next person that has to do it hate their life, because they could break off. So here is the spark plug, the new spark plug. Very nice and pretty, already pre-gapped, so it's already good to go. I'm going to go ahead and start by taking off these old ones. We're just going to do one at a time. Got the spark plug down there. These spark plugs are just worn to crap. As you can tell, these haven't been changed in a long time. They look like they're doing okay. I don't see any abnormal wear on these, but it's good to do these, because your car will run like crap if you don't do these often enough. So I'm going to go ahead and change these, so we'll start with the first one. Just make sure you compare it to the new one. Make sure they're about the same length. So as you can see, these are pretty much the exact same length from end to end. So we'll go ahead and put those on and pray we don't get any problems. We're just going to hand tighten it. We're just going to get it snug in there, and then we'll torque it down after we're done. Got it on the end right there. We'll go ahead and put it back. We've got our handy dandy torque wrench from Harbor Freight. Link will be in the description as well. And we've got this. Boom, look at that, nice, fancy. So now we're just gonna set it to 14 or 15 foot-pounds. So we're going to scroll this bottom one to the 14 or 15. So we're going to get that to the 15. Alright, so we've got it at the 14 right there. As you can tell, the 14 meets the 15 line, so that now we know it's at 14. That's it for that, and then we're going to go ahead and put the spark pack back in. So we know we did this one on the far left. Put that back in there. Put this thing back on there. Right. Now we'll tighten this down. So we'll just get this hand tight. This isn't really too bad. You just want it snug. Doesn't have to be too tight. You don't want to over tighten that. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and switch back, and then we're going to go and switch to the other one. And we're going to keep going down the line, and I'm just going to speed up the process with video magic editing and stuff. Can you take this one? Almost rusty, kind of sparkly. got our last spark plug. Let's go ahead and finish the job. And we're going for last one. And then before we put the engine cover back on, we're going to go ahead and make sure she starts without any problems. So let's hope we did a good job. It's only the scariest part. So I'm going to go ahead and let the car get to temp, but it's definitely starting and running a lot better than before. Alrighty, she's at temp and everything seems to be operating properly. Don't forget to put that engine cover back on. I'm sure you don't need me to show you that since we already took it off. Just make sure you put those bolts back where they were. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.